Hello everybody, welcome to Maths for today. It should be the 14th of January, so 14.1.21 if you're going to write the short date today. And today we're going to do some more work on 3D shapes. So our WALT is to recognise and name 3D shapes. Same WALT as yesterday, but we're going to look at them in a little bit more detail today. So first of all, quick quiz. Can you remember the names of the 3D shapes that we practiced yesterday? Let's have a look. Right, have a look at this one first. Can you remember what that shape is called? Turn the ticket over, see if you were correct. It's a cuboid. Were you right? Give yourself a pat on the back if you were. Okay, let's have a look now at the one behind it. What's that called? Let's see if you were right. Let's turn the ticket over. Did you get it? It's a cube. Well done if you did. Let's have a look at the next one. What's that shape called? Turn it over, see if you were right. It's that tricky word, isn't it? It's a cylinder. Give yourself a pat on the back if you were correct. Now this one keeps rolling away. What's that called? Let's see, let's turn over. This is the one that's very difficult to say. Oh, it's gone again, look. It's a sphere. That's right, sphere. It is hard to say. Let's have a look at this one. What's that one called? Let's see. Did you get it? It's the cone. Fabulous. And the last one, what's that called? Let's see, are you right? Turn it over. It's a pyramid. Did you get that right? If you got them all right, well done. That's not a tricky job. They are very difficult words to remember. Now today we're going to have a little look at the shapes that you will find on a 3D shape. So we're looking at the flat shapes that you will spot on a 3D shape today. Now a 3D shape is different from a flat shape because it's solid. It's solid. You can pick it up and you can build with it. Now some of the shapes are excellent for building with because they have got flat surfaces. So a cuboid and a cube and a pyramid are very easy to build with because they've got flat surfaces. Others are easy to roll, such as the cylinder and the sphere that's rolled away across the desk. Let's have a look. Where's the sphere gone? There it is. That's because they have got curved surfaces. So the sphere has got just one curved surface which makes it roll around, whereas the cylinder has got one curved surface. It's also got two flat surfaces as well, which means you can also build with a cylinder because that will stack, won't it? So let's have a look then. The cylinder has got one curved surface going all the way round, and the flat surfaces are a shape that you might know. What's that shape that's on the end, each end of a cylinder? That's right, it's a circle, isn't it? How many circles does a cylinder have on it? That's right, it has two circles. So it has two flat surfaces that are circles and a curved surface that makes it roll. Okay, let's have a look at the pyramid now. So this has got just flat surfaces. It hasn't got any curved surfaces at all. Let's have a look at the bottom of this pyramid. What shape, what 2D shape is on the bottom? Can you spot it? It's a square. Can you see the square on the bottom of the pyramid? Not all pyramids have a square on the bottom, but this one does because it's a square-based pyramid. Now, around the shapes that you can see around that make up the sides. What shape are those? That's right, they're a triangle shape, aren't they? So it's got 4 triangle shapes as well on that pyramid. Right, let's have a look at the, what's this called? You see it? Cuboid. That's right. What shape have we got on a cuboid? What flat shapes can you see? We've got some rectangles there, haven't we? Turning it round so you can see that there are 4 rectangles on that cuboid, but there aren't rectangles on the ends. What shape are the surfaces at the end of the cuboid? That's right, they're square. So it's got 2 square surfaces and 4 rectangular surfaces, that one. Now that's different slightly to a cube. Have a look at the shapes that you can see on the cube. What shape are the flat surfaces on the cube? That's right, they are all squares. They're all squares, and it has 6 square surfaces. Right, let's have a look. Which one haven't we looked at yet? Oh, this one. What's that called? That's right, it's the cone. Have a look at the cone. So the cone has got 1 curved surface, which makes it roll. It will roll round in a circle, won't it? And it's got 1 flat surface. What's that flat surface? What shape is it? That's right, it's a circle. A circle. Well done. Right, I think that's all the shapes. I don't know where the sphere's gone. It's rolled away. So let's have one more look at the names of the shapes. So we've got the cuboid, which has got 2 square surfaces and 4 rectangular surfaces. We've got the cube, which has got 6 square surfaces. We've got the cylinder, which has got 2 flat surfaces that are a circle shape and 1 curved surface that makes it roll. I'll leave the sphere till last because I've got to find it. Then we've got the cone, which has got a flat surface on the bottom, which is a circle shape, and a curved surface that makes it roll. Over here we've got the pyramid, and the pyramid has got, this one has got 4 triangular surfaces, so 4 surfaces that are triangles, and at the bottom it has got a flat square surface. Right, the last one is the sphere, which has rolled away, and I really can't find it, so we'll have to do without it. The sphere is a ball shape, and it has got 1, oh, I've got it, I put it somewhere safe. It has got 1 curved surface, which means it can roll in any direction. Off it goes again. Right, your job then for today is to go around your house or your classroom and see if you can find any 3D shapes. They could be the same ones that you had a look for and found yesterday. And what I want you to do is sort them. Sort them. And it's up to you how you choose to sort them, but a good way to start is to sort them into groups of shapes that have curved surfaces and shapes that have no curved surfaces, so only flat shapes on them. Then maybe you could see if there are different ways you could sort them out. It might be that you like to sort out all of the shapes that have got squares on them, or all of the shapes that haven't got squares on them. So you might like to do it like that. It's up to you. Also, if you're in school, go and have a look, see if you can find any construction that you could use to build some 3D shapes. You might even have some at home. In my classroom, I know we've got the straws which are really good for building 3D shapes. So you might want to have a go find those. See if you can build some 3D shapes using construction. Okay, so have fun everybody, and I'll see you back tomorrow for more work on flat or 2D shapes. So bye for now everybody.